Good afternoon, everyone. This is composting in Queens Plus. In this case, plus a Norwex order. And I believe this is my spending spree. Oh yeah. I made the company enough money, that being Norwex, for me to get every word of a fun spending spree. Don't mind my fingers, they'll get clean in the process. I was repotting plants. So I decided to order these Ultra Plush Body and Face Pack. These are really, really nice. My aunt bought some, and I tried them out on her while I was washing her face. They're really nice. These, ladies and gentlemen, are makeup removal cloth set. One or more of these will find their way into the fitness center, where somewhere you will find with a yellow sheet of paper my signature, or at least my initials. One of these for somebody who comes and finds it in my gym. There are currently this many. And let's see what else is here. Oh yes, the mini microfiber variety pack. So there's one Enviro cloth, one window cloth, and one face and body cloth, all with back lock. These are excellent. Where's our body and face cloth? There we go. And I got these are pretty well made. I don't remember if this has back lock in it. And maybe not. But it's cool for keeping little things in. This one has double-sided, which is awesome. And filler. Oh yes, the 4-pack of full-size, they call it the rainbow pack of Enviro cloths. Very nice, very styling. These are the ones that, it's pretty much the workhorse of the ones. It's most universal. It's what kind of made the company what it is. So then I decided, because I do have a lot of floors, to add this, to add this to the, that's cool. To add that to one of the mops. It has, I can't remember how many ounces. And I'll put regular water in there, and then carry maybe a spray bottle with something else in it if I think I need it. And this is an eco utensil and straw set. Figured, what the heck? It's a limited edition, which is cool. And so I can do this with one hand. It comes with this, which is a silicone straw, and then some, it's made of, either rice husks or corn, I can't remember. Anyways, they call them compostable, but you need to kind of help them along, which is great because you don't want them just to disintegrate right away. And I'm probably going to give this to my aunt. I thought this would come with a straw cleaner, but it didn't. A little disappointed. Anyway, I'm going to give this to my aunt. And let's see, what else is there? I think we might have come to the bottom of the box. Yes, so that's what I decided to order as I can't remember what I don't remember what the amount was, but let's see here. There we go. And that, as they say, is that. So, some of these items will feature in future treasure hunts. I won't make it too hard. They'll be, on a sheet of yellow paper somewhere in the gym area, not the bathrooms and not the hall, the front lobby, not my office or anywhere else, just in this area somewhere. somewhere in here. And people can come and find them. So anyways, if you like what you see, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you want to buy something, well, you can. And what you do is go to Norwex and type this in as your consultant. Wishing everyone a wonderful morning, afternoon, night, whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Stay awesome, stay adventurous, stay clean,